everyone, Bridget Casey for Kat Scrappiness today with a sneak peek of the project we're going to make. So we're going to start with the dress up Quokkas, and I picked one that I really liked. I love the look on his face. And I was showing you we're going to use the Santa costume. We don't end up using the Santa costume. We end up just using the Santa hat. And that's from the Christmas critter add-on for the Quokkas, so they can be dressed up for any season, any holiday, anything special. They have to be perfectly dressed, so a cat has taken care of that for us. So you can see my Copic covers there are on the sticky note, just to show you what color I'm using in case you want to color along at home. And I am coloring a little bit more of the Quokka than I need to, but hey, little extra coloring never hurts. It's always good to practice. So I couldn't believe how hard it was to put the caps down. I usually hold them in my fist, like, I don't know, like really tightly for some reason. And it's just a comfort thing. So it was a lot of practice getting them out there for you. So here's my Santa hat, and I'm just coloring it in with 3 Copic colors because it's so small. Now I'm going ahead with my dies and cutting out my Quokka and my Santa hat. And I'm showing you that I used the second die out of the reversed scallop mini slimline with Hello die set, and I cut the ugly sweater slimline paper pack with that. The little snowflake pattern papers. Oh, I love it. So I put one of the frames down, and then I inlaid the die cut piece, the pattern paper, and now I'm gluing my Quokka, and yes, he's hanging out, but I'm going to trim him off the extra bit. So I'm going ahead and I'm laying the rest of my frames because I want to create a place for my sequins to go so we can have a shaker. And I didn't want a lot of bulk, so I just wanted to use a few extra pieces of cardstock. And I happened to have a green piece in my stash, so I used it. Use what you got. That's the good piece. So I'm using some super strong tape here. I'm putting in some glistening tinsel sequins before I remove the tape and put on my acetate, which many times I put on the acetate and forget to put in the sequins. So I was doing good this day. So now I'm putting another layer so that I can put my top frame that is the pattern paper on there, and I'll trim off any extras, and we have a fun shaker. I'm adding the Happy Holidays from Kat Scrappiness. I hope this helps you to create some beautiful Christmas cards. Have a nice day.